Okay, so what's up guys? Another video here. And first, let me share you a quick story. So, I remember few months ago na yung alam yung parang nagsasampay ka ng mga damit. Tapos, when yung style ko kasi pa nagkasampay ako ng damit is parang ganito lang. Tak, tak, tak. Tapos, sampay na agad. Yun pala, kapag sinasampay pala yung damit, ang ginagawa pala dapat, i-fold mo muna ng gentle, tapos bibiringan ng dahan-dahan lang. Tapos yun, after mong biringan ng dahan-dahan, ipapagpag mo pa. So, as a result, parang yung damit mo, parang hindi siya magugusot. Pero ang ginawa ko noon is parang, basta na lang, kasi wala naman talaga akong idea. Tapos, ang kinalabasan, parang ang gusot-gusot kapag na-dry na. Tapos, kailangan pa plansyahin. So, instead na magpa-plansya pa tuloy, so, instead na hindi na tuloy magka-plansya, kailangan pa tuloy mag-plansya para maging presentable tignan yung mga damit. So, in those times, parang, ang ginawa sa akin, parang pinagsabihan ako, parang, alam mo yung feeling na kinikriticize ka. Tapos, syempre, ikaw, yung nagawa mo, feeling mo, ginawa ko naman lahat nun. Di ko naman yun naisip. Pero bakit di yun na-appreciate? Tapos, parang feeling mo na a-upset ka. Feeling mo, parang yung effort mo is parang wala. Parang na, tawag doon, parang na discredit yung lahat mong effort. So, in those times, we will feel upset and it will be very given. However, we must keep in mind that at any circumstances, we can be upset or not upset depending on how we process it, depending on how we think it. So, in those times na pinagsasabihan ako na parang basta-basta lang daw yung ginawa ko, parang basta-basta lang, hindi naman pinag-effortan. Ang first thought of process ko noon is parang defensive. Pero, as you train more and more, parang halfway doon, feel mo na, may point naman siya. Parang nagiging open ka. So, instead of in defensive lang lagi, much better approach is, acknowledge mo yung side, accept it, learn from it, and improve. So, in those process, hindi ka na stick sa old habits mo, kundi, as time went by, you can refine, and improve. And I think it's a very beautiful experience when at any circumstances, you train yourself to not be upset. Remember, being upset lies here. It's just our mental process. It is just how we think. So that's all. It's fairly a short one. So I'll be doing a shorter ones here since medyo busy. But hey, I hope it can help you and I hope it provides you a lot of value. That's all.